everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you see by the title, we're going to be preparing for my trip to Miami, Florida. It is a girls trip with my mother and I, so I'm super duper excited for this. I want y'all to just get prepared with me to go on this trip. This is my first time ever doing something like this, like a vacation vlog. Like, what? I haven't been on vacation since 6 years, 6 or 7 years. It's crazy. But I'm super duper excited for this one, y'all. Oh, I got my flight, hotel. We got our flights, hotels, everything. So this is just a video for me to prepare, and then I'll do another video for y'all when I get there. Super duper excited. I probably might be already there by the time y'all see this, because I'm gonna make sure everything is in, set to go. But y'all probably might not see this until after the fact, until I'm back. But I'm super duper excited, y'all. Woo! Just know I probably had a good ass time. Just now. But yeah, thank you guys for even being here right now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's just get into this video because we got a lot to do. So let's get it. Right, y'all. So I'm in Midtown. My glasses and all that other stuff. Hold on, back up. Can you back up? No? Okay. I'm in Midtown. I'm about to head to get something to eat, and then we gonna get it done. Okay, period. Y'all, give that food a 7 out of 10. Like, it was all right. Like, it was just something for me to eat at this point. I'm gonna get my nails done. I mean, my feet done, and I just figure out something for my nails itself, because my feet are the ones that need more attention than my nails do. So I'm just gonna do that right quick. Just got my feet done, y'all, and they look good. So cute. Now I'm about to head out and get something to drink, maybe, until it's time to go home, because I feel cute. So let's see.
So I just want to show you a little bit. I'm still kind of packing in a way because I still got to focus on which nails I'm going to be taking and everything else. But I did get my packages finally from Shein. Some of the stuff was going to be in here and other things is not. I got some like purses and stuff here. I still got to find out what purses I want to be using. But I just wanted to show y'all. These things are very, very good for travel. So I will link it down below if y'all guys want to purchase it. But my trip is in the next, I think 2 days because Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Well, the next, 3 days, honestly. So I'm super duper excited. I still haven't got a lot of stuff done. I mean, I've gotten kind of my packing done and a little bit here, but I'm not finished yet. So I would definitely tell you guys what's going on. But until then, this is what I have so far. Okay, y'all, so I'm out and about because I have a couple of other things to do. So before my trip to Miami, so yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. I'm headed to Walmart to see if I can get a couple of things. But yeah, 2 more days until Miami. Super excited. So stay tuned, y'all. My mind, I'm going to go to Ross first. I got 2 more days left until my trip, so I'm super duper excited. Oh, I can't wait to go, child. Miami is on its way, baby. Let's go to Ross.